In Chapter 2 of The Telltale Brain, Ramachandran focuses on the vision and eyes of humans compared to the visual capabilities of other species. The chapter starts out with Ramachandran comparing the evolution of human eyes to that of the octopus eye and saying how similar they have become over time. He implies that it is an evolutionary miracle that humans and octopus have developed such similar structures, but in reality it makes sense to me. If natural selection is designed to form the best structure for a species, isn't it logical that humans and octopi have the same type of eyes because it's the most evolutionarily advanced eye that they're capable of achieving? Ramachandran then goes on to explain that the eye is only responsible for seeing, and that is why the human eye and the octopus eye are so similar in structure but different in function, because the brain is the one controlling the what we see, or how we comprehend what we see. My personal favorite study was the one on recognition. It could be because the visual aids helped me comprehend the experiment, but it is incredible that changing one line in a drawing can completely change how the mind recognizes it. It also astounded me that the brain is so complex that the movement of one line can cause such a different association. Like, for example, the study with the bare hands, how it looked like beads on a string, and just adding those tiny little triangles changed it to claws. The most interesting part of the study for me, however, was the face, and the fact that facial recognition is determined by an average of all the faces we have seen in our lives. After thinking on that fact for a while, I was wondering how scientists were able to prove this fact. In the next sentence, Ramachandran said, quote, "We still don't know how the neurons work." I think my least favorite part of this book is how Ramachandran talks in great lengths about some study and ends the discussion on it with, quote, "But we still don't know how it works yet." He gets me all interested in an unconcluded study.